Tite Kubo's famous series Bleach is making its return in 2021, when the final arc of the manga is going to be adapted as an anime. As a guy who has read the final arc of Bleach, I have to say, it still feels like the arc is not complete, it's not whole. So, this is another chance for Bleach to go out on a high. A chance to show us what the author actually intended to do with the series before he was rushed to conclude it by the higher ups of Shonen Jump. Welcome back, these are the top 5 things we want to see when Bleach returns in 2021. Number 5. Aizen's character. By this I mean we need closer to Aizen's character. Who was Aizen Sosuke? Why did he want to kill the Soul King? A goal he shared with Yuha. Did he know that there was a Quincy King who was gonna be resurrected? All these questions were left unanswered about our favorite Troll King sociopath. Also, we just need to know what's the deal with that damn chair. Number 4. Ichigo's Bankai. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, dude, we saw Ichigo's Bankai. Yes, we did, but it was broken immediately. It was repaired again broken immediately. After all the build-up relating to Ichigo's Quincy and Shinigami's power, and what did we get? 2 panels of Ichigo going Bankai and his sword breaking. 100 plus chapters investing in this plot thread, and we got that. Yes, that.
What the fuck was that?
I'm not saying you need to give me a balls out fight with Ichigo's Bankai, but when the anime returns, you got to have him churn out some moves using that damn sword. Number 3. The flashback. My number 3 and number 2 are almost similar in this list. We need the flashback of the war that took place 1000 years ago. Naruto has given me PTSD when it comes to flashback, but the flashback in this final arc was pretty much non-existent. We must know what happened 1000 years ago. We need to know more about the original members of the Gotei 13. What are the 5 noble families in the Soul Society up to? All these questions need to be answered when Bleach comes back. Number 2. Yuha and the Soul King. We need Yuha's backstory, which might tie into my number 2 point in the list, the flashback of the war. Why does Yuha call the Soul King his father? What exactly is the Soul King and how was he brought to power by the 5 noble family? Yuha Bak is the Quincy Jesus. In the manga we got nothing about his backstory except how he was born and the power he possessed. We saw bits and pieces of him during the Hashwald and Basby flashback, that's it. We need to know more about the chief antagonist of the arc when the anime returns. And finally, number 1. The ending. So let me get this straight. Yuha can see the future, but he didn't see Uryu coming and hitting him with the steel silver arrow. Well, that was an ass pull if ever there was one. Dear Tite Kubo, this is a sincere plea from all Bleach fans. Please change the damn ending in the anime. It is not the worst ending to a manga, but a series like Bleach, which has sold over 120 million volumes, deserves better. The final fight between Yuha and Ichigo, Aizen and Renji should have at least been 5 chapters. I hope the anime can expand upon the ending. Make Ryuken and Isshin do something in the story instead of just dressing up to deliver the arrow to Uryu. Yuha actually killed their wives for God's sake. Show us what happened with Urahara, Nail and Grimmjow. Show everything that the manga couldn't show us. You can add some materials from the light novels. We need to have a wholesome ending to Bleach where all the fans are satisfied. Well, let's be honest, all the fans are not gonna be satisfied because of what happened with Ichigo, Orihime, Rukia and Renji at the end of the manga, but let's say most of the fans should be satisfied with the ending. Give me anything other than what we got during the last 5 to 10 chapters of Bleach and I'll be a happy camper. What can I say? The last 5 to 10 chapters of Bleach were so underwhelming. Anyway guys, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, please leave a like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon for notifications. If you're a fan of Bleach and want more Bleach content, I'll be making a lot of Bleach contents in the future. Please subscribe. This is Sweepster Rating. Until next time.